Want to save battery or control how long your settings stay visible? It's super easy to adjust the metering timer. In this video, I'll show you how to switch the metering timer on your Canon camera. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, turn on the camera. Now press the menu button. Go to the fourth camera tab. Here you will see the metering timer option at the bottom. Scroll down and select this option. Then press the set button. Here you will get few options like 4 second, 16 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 10 minute, and 30 minute. Now select one of them that you need. After that, press the set button to save it. And that's it. This is how you switch the metering timer on your Canon camera. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.